Viewers, thank you for stopping by. If today is your first time coming across my channel, you are highly welcome. On today's episode, I'm gonna be carrying you guys along to show you how I come out with my yellow soup. Some people call it Achu soup. If you are that person that you have been facing ups and downs, you have tried Achu soup million times, thousand times, and you're not able to get it, this is your stop point. Achu is the local traditional dish from the northern part of Cameroon. Please, before we dive into the recipe, please don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, don't forget to hit on the notification bell. Make sure you hit on the video title for more recipe. Stay tuned. Much love from School Kitchen.